Hi everyone, this is Hyperteam, and we're here today to talk to you about some of our solutions, specifically our SharePoint Project Management solution, which we fondly call our PM Toolbox. I want to first start off by talking about why people choose to implement SharePoint. So why is SharePoint so great? Well, there are a lot of reasons it's great, but what you'll see listed here are the main reasons that we think SharePoint is great and the main reasons that our customers love using it. For example, you can eliminate paper-based administration, mitigate the risk of missed information, speed up collaboration, and gain a whole other assortment of benefits. But really, basically, what people love about SharePoint is that it saves them a great deal of time and a great deal of money. So now, a little bit about Hyperteam. We have over 8 years of SharePoint on-premises expertise, as well as over 2 years of SharePoint online experience. In addition, most of our on-premises solutions are now running on the SharePoint Foundation version as well. Here, you see the chart of the different business functions that our solutions focus on helping, such as HR management, sales, quality management, and, of course, project management. These here are our most popular solutions, and, as you can see, we have a very large variety of them. Today, though, what we're going to be focusing on specifically is our project management solution. So, we all have projects, right? From large enterprises to small, medium businesses, we all have to effectively manage a large assortment of projects, often at the same time. Unfortunately, those of us who fall into the category of small, medium businesses tend to struggle with this because we usually lack adequate tools to help us handle everything from document management to collaboration between team members. That's exactly why Hyperteam created a user-friendly, cost-effective project management solution that's tailored for small to medium businesses. Now, instead of using the wildly expensive and incredibly complex solutions that are specifically made for those large enterprises, you can use our PM Toolbox. What you're seeing now is the PM Toolbox homepage. This page makes it almost effortless to locate your projects. Here, you get a short summary of the project status, the people working on the project, and much more. In the Alerts box, you get notifications and alerts about the different projects that you're working on. For example, you'll get alerts about budgets and even deadlines. You can place your highest priority projects, or the projects that you use most often, in the Favorites Projects box. This makes it easy to get to them quickly. Okay, to give you the best possible understanding of how our solution works, I'm first going to give you a little background on the concept it's based on. So what you see here is that every project has a hierarchy, with the overall project being at the top. Next, the project is broken down into phases, for example, a planning phase, execution phase, and a follow-up phase. Within the project phases, you have products, or deliverables, that are produced. An example would be a video presentation, like this one. Finally, tasks must be completed in order to obtain your products. In regards to the video presentation, you might have tasks like writing the video script or recording the voiceover. Once all of your products are complete, you've completed each of the project phases and ultimately your entire project. Now let's see how this concept works in the software. Once you're on the home page, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the project that you want to work on. To open the project, click on its icon. On the right side, you'll see a clearly labeled tile menu that contains the main functions of the software. To get an overview of the project's phases, click on the Phases icon. So here on this page, you get a full detailed overview of the project's phases. The information you see here includes the status of the project phases, short descriptions of the phases, the other editors, and many other important project details. As I mentioned earlier, the phases are then divided into project products. Let's check these out as well. In order to do this, you want to go back to the project menu and click on the Products icon. Here, you get an overview of the products. The different project products are then divided into tasks. Like I mentioned earlier, these tasks are the smallest part of the project. To reach them, go back to the project homepage and click on the Tasks icon. Here, you see all of the tasks that belong to this project, as well as which product they're connected to. Attached to each task is a deadline, responsible party, priority level, and status. If you check on the small square to the left side of the task, it will be marked complete. As I'm sure you can imagine, when all of these features are used together, it will really help you meet your deadlines with ease. Click on the For Managers icon to get a short overview and status update on all of the projects that you're responsible for leading. As you can see, this feature is a big time saver because you can quickly and easily view the statuses of all the projects you're working on at the same time. So the PM Toolbox also makes it easy to manage all of your documents. That's because, thanks to the document handling feature, you can have all of your documents, whether they're on Excel, Word, or any other file, in one central location. This makes it easy for the members of your team to find documents without having to perform lengthy and time-consuming searches or send the documents back and forth via email. In addition, our solutions give you access to all of the great benefits of SharePoint itself. For example, the simultaneous editing feature, which makes it possible for multiple project members to edit a document at the same time. The changes made to the document are always recorded and can therefore always be traced. Even more impressive is that when you edit a document, the old version is always replaced with the new version immediately after the changes have been made. Here, you can see the versioning feature in action. Furthermore, you'll notice that the name of the editor is always recorded, which is of course beneficial for every project. Another great feature of SharePoint is the access control. This feature makes it so that documents can only be opened by authorized users, which means that document handling in the PM Toolbox is completely secure. Another impressive feature of SharePoint is its powerful searching capability, which makes finding documents a quick and easy task. In fact, the search engine in SharePoint is so powerful that you can easily search for content within specific documents. For example, you could quickly find information within a Word document. PM Toolbox's neatly documented working time reports make it a breeze to see the number of hours your team members have been spending on each project. This information can then be used to record client billing hours or to even generate weekly and monthly management reports. Another great feature of the PM Toolbox is its ability to manage resources. The PM Toolbox helps you manage resources by giving you a clear understanding of your resource demands and therefore helping you plan for future projects appropriately. To view this feature, click on the Resource Manager button. On this page, you see all of the company employees. Each square represents a specific person's day and shows you how much of their time is already being consumed by assigned tasks. Thus, the feature allows you to delegate tasks and plan for future projects more efficiently by helping you avoid overloading some of your team members while leaving others sitting idly without work. Using PM Toolbox also makes it easy to create varied and extensive reports. To do so, click on the Reports icon. Here, you have two choices, to create a Word report or to create an Excel report. Once you've decided which kind of report you'd like to create, you simply check the box next to the project or projects that you'd like made into reports and click Submit. The application automatically generates the Word or Excel document, which is then ready to download once it's complete. The Word-based report is a sophisticated document that provides a nicely formatted overview of your project and its main components. The Excel file, on the other hand, gives you a very detailed report of the project, with lots of data that can easily be filtered and managed with the well-known, easy-to-use software. As we all know, project success often hinges on making sure that expenses are correctly managed. Unfortunately, without an appropriate tool to help with this task, expenses can often be spent inefficiently and sometimes even overspent. That's why the PM Toolbox has an expense manager. To reach the expense manager, simply click on the expenses icon. Here, you can define a maximum budget for the project and arrange the expenses into different categories. So now that you've seen a demonstration of the PM Toolbox, it's easy to understand how our solution can save you time and money. And the best part is that you can implement our on-premises or cloud-based solutions in just a few weeks, so these solutions are incredibly easy to obtain. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at this list of many of the international companies that have been saving time and money with us since 2007. And if that's not enough, please feel free to read up on the case studies we have available on our website. So, I just want to leave you with one final question. If you could increase your team's efficiency by 30 to 40% just by implementing our project management solution, then how much money would you be saving? Okay, well thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to find out more about the PM Toolbox or about any of our other solutions, please feel free to visit our website at www.sharepoint-florida.com or give us a call today at 888-466-0710. Okay, thanks guys.